Hey you guys, I just wanted to stop, and I was in the middle of doing my hair and realized um, that when I was looking up this hair on YouTube, there was not a video up. So I want to go ahead and do a quick video. This hair is from Sensational, Bare and Natural, and it's a 12A unprocessed hair, factory direct, unprocessed bundle import. This is a 12-inch and it's $27. And what I have in now, and I use every bit of it, is the 14-inch, and it was $35 at my local beauty supply store. So this is how far I've gotten with the 14-inch. I did have like 3 strips of a 16 left from a previous install, and they were like this long, and I just put them at the very back where we tend to sweat and it kind of gets matty a little bit. I think the 16-inch was $40, so, or right at $40. And this is natural black. This is how much hair you get in the bundles. I haven't opened the 12 yet. So you get a lot of hair. And there's absolutely no shedding. Like, I have not had any shedding. Only shedding I had is when you cut the weft and you know, pull those little extra strings off. But other than that, there's absolutely no shedding. So, and I didn't have any shedding on the previous install also. So I'm going to just wash that and probably make a wig or something with that hair. Keep in mind that the hair says that they do not recommend you bleaching or dyeing the hair because you will not achieve the desired color that you want. But I did bleach it blonde and I didn't have any problems with it. So you can, which is weird because on here it says bleach, perm, and dye. And then right under it, it says we do not recommend it. But you can bleach it and dye it. I don't know about putting a relaxer or anything on it, but I most definitely bleached the hair and then put color on that and had no problems. It took it well. The color was my desired color, like the color that was on the bottle is what I achieved. So I had no problems with the install. Another thing is real bouncy. It's not hot. Usually when I use synthetic hair or 9A hair or 7A hair, I tend to get a little hot. Like once I get this far, I'm hot. So this hair doesn't hold heat. So you'll be good with that. And if you don't have time to put ceramic irons on it, you don't need to. So here's a video for anybody that's going to go out and purchase this hair. All right, you guys.